Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to access Kanopy with your Whitehorse Manningham library card. Kanopy is an on-demand video streaming service that provides free access to thousands of films and documentaries available with your library membership. You can check out up to 8 films per month with unlimited plays on kids' videos and educational courses. Your checkout limit resets at the first day of each month. You can watch Kanopy either on a computer, mobile device, or television via a web browser or the Kanopy app. To access Kanopy, you'll need to go to the library website, then click on the eLibrary link. Scroll down to the movie streaming link. And select Kanopy. First of all, you'll need to set up a Kanopy account. Click on Add Library Card. Put in your library card number. And set up an account by adding your name, email address, and create a password. Once you are logged in, your play credits will be displayed in the top right corner, next to your account name. Kanopy provides access to thousands of titles and includes movies, documentaries, foreign films, classic cinema, independent films, and educational videos. The simplest way to find a video is to scroll down the page and browse the titles featured under the various headings. To play the movie, hit the play button. The service includes features such as captions, casting to a TV, full screen mode. Or you can use the search box. Search a film by subject, title, actor, or director. Or you can browse the different categories. There is a Kanopy for Kids option with unlimited access to all the kids' videos. Another option to access Kanopy is through the app that is available for both Apple and Android devices. To do this, download the app, log in with your email address and password, and start watching. Be aware that these movies use streaming, so make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi, otherwise Kanopy will be running off your mobile data, which is not advised. If you have a Chromecast device, you can cast to your TV. The Kanopy app is also available on smart TVs. Again, simply log in with your email address and password. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. And if you have any further questions, please contact our libraries.